Today we will explore how diplomacy is evolving to meet the challenges and opportunities of the 21st century. We will examine the impact of globalization, the rising influence of non-state actors, the transformative power of technology, and new approaches to conflict resolution. Globalization and diplomacy. Globalization has profoundly altered the landscape of diplomacy. Increased interconnectedness has led to a proliferation of transnational issues such as climate change, terrorism, and pandemics that require coordinated global responses. This has elevated the importance of multilateral diplomacy, where multiple states and international organizations work together to address shared challenges. Globalization has also empowered non-state actors such as multinational corporations, non-governmental organizations, and civil society groups to play a more significant role in international affairs. These actors can influence policy decisions, advocate for specific causes, and even participate in diplomatic negotiations. The rise of non-state actors. Non-state actors are increasingly challenging the traditional state-centric model of diplomacy. Their expertise, resources, and networks can be invaluable in addressing complex global issues. For example, NGOs often possess specialized knowledge and on-the-ground experience in areas like humanitarian aid, environmental protection, and human rights. Corporations, with their global reach and economic influence, can also contribute to diplomatic efforts. They can promote sustainable development, facilitate trade and investment, and participate in public-private partnerships to address global challenges. Technology and diplomacy. Technology is transforming diplomacy in unprecedented ways. Digital platforms and social media enable diplomats to communicate directly with global audience, bypassing traditional media channels. This allows for greater transparency, public engagement, and real-time information sharing. Technology also facilitates virtual diplomacy, where negotiations and discussions can take place online, reducing the need for travel and increasing efficiency. Artificial intelligence and data analytics are being used to analyze vast amounts of information, identify trends, and inform decision-making. However, technology also poses challenges for diplomacy. The spread of disinformation, cyber attacks, and the weaponization of information can undermine trust, exacerbate conflicts, and complicate diplomatic efforts. Conflict resolution in the 21st century. The nature of conflict is also evolving in the 21st century. Intrastate conflicts, civil wars, and terrorism have become more prevalent than traditional interstate wars. These conflicts often involve multiple actors, complex grievances, and deep-rooted societal divisions. New approaches to conflict resolution are needed to address these challenges. Mediation, peacebuilding, and reconciliation efforts must be tailored to the specific context and needs of each conflict. The involvement of local communities, civil society groups, and non-state actors can be crucial for achieving lasting peace. Diplomacy in the 21st century is a complex and dynamic field, shaped by globalization, the rise of non-state actors, technological advancements, and evolving forms of conflict. To be effective, diplomats must adapt to these changes, embrace new tools and approaches, and build partnerships with diverse stakeholders. As we conclude this course, I hope you have gained a deeper understanding of the role of international law and diplomacy in shaping our world. By working together, we can harness the power of diplomacy to address global challenges, promote peace and security, and build a more just and sustainable future for all.